You have seen tools that replace developers and tools that save you hours. But what about tools that actually make you money? Today I am showing you 5 AI tools that can 10x your business without hiring a single person. A copywriter, a designer, a videographer, an automation engineer, and a spokesperson. All replaced by AI. Let us get into it. Number 1. Jasper AI. If you are writing marketing copy manually, you are wasting time and money. Jasper is an AI copywriter trained specifically for marketing. We are talking ad copy, email campaigns, landing pages, social media posts, blog articles, all written in your brand voice. You feed it your brand guidelines once, and every piece of content sounds like you wrote it. I used it to generate an entire email sequence of 7 emails in about 12 minutes. That would have taken me an entire day. Jasper also has templates for over 50 use cases. Facebook ads, Google ads, product descriptions, LinkedIn posts, you name it. The Boss Mode plan at $49 a month gives you unlimited words. Compare that to hiring a freelance copywriter at $500 per project. This is a no-brainer for any business creating content at scale. Number 2. Midjourney. Stop paying designers thousands of dollars for visuals you can create in 30 seconds. Midjourney generates stunning AI images from text prompts, product mockups, social media graphics, brand visuals, marketing banners, even architectural concepts. The quality is insane. We are talking photorealistic images that look like they came from a professional studio. I use it for YouTube thumbnails, social media content, and product imagery. A single prompt like futuristic office workspace with holographic displays, cinematic lighting gives you 4 variations in under a minute. The basic plan is $10 a month. That is less than one stock photo on most websites. And you own what you create. For any business that needs visual content, which is every business, this is a game changer. Number 3. Runway ML. Video content is king, but producing it is expensive and slow. Runway completely changes that equation. It is an AI-powered video editor and generator that can create video from text, extend existing clips, remove backgrounds, replace objects, and generate entire scenes from a single image. Their Gen 3 Alpha model produces video that looks professionally shot. I have used it to create product demos, social media reels, and explainer clips without touching a camera. The text to video feature alone is worth it. Describe what you want, and you get a polished video clip in seconds. But it also has tools for in-painting, motion tracking, and green screen removal that used to require After Effects and hours of work. The standard plan at $12 a month gives you enough credits for serious content production. If you are creating any video content for your business, Runway saves you both time and thousands in production costs. Number 4. Zapier with AI. You probably know Zapier as the tool that connects apps together. But with their new AI features, it has become something completely different. It has become your business automation brain. Zapier now connects over 7,000 apps, and the AI layer lets you build complex automations using plain English. Say, connect my Stripe to Google Sheets and send me a Slack message whenever someone pays over $500. Done. But here is where it gets powerful. Zapier AI can process incoming data intelligently. It can read emails, categorize support tickets, extract invoice data, summarize meeting notes, and route information to the right place automatically. I have an automation that monitors my inbox, identifies potential client inquiries, drafts personalized responses, and adds them to my CRM. Zero manual work. The free plan gives you 100 tasks per month. The starter plan at $19 a month gives you $750. For businesses drowning in repetitive tasks, this pays for itself on day one. Number 5. Synthesia. What if you could create professional training videos, marketing videos, and explainer content without a camera, studio, or even showing your face? That is exactly what Synthesia does. You type a script, choose from over 230 AI avatars in 140 languages, and it generates a studio quality video with a realistic AI presenter. The avatars look natural. They gesture, they make eye contact, they speak with proper intonation. I have used it to create product walkthroughs, onboarding videos for clients, and multilingual marketing content. One script, 5 languages, 5 videos, all in under 10 minutes. Try doing that with a real production team. The starter plan at $18 a month includes 10 minutes of video. For businesses that need consistent video content without the overhead of filming, this is transformative. So here is the bottom line. Jasper writes your marketing copy. Midjourney creates your visuals. Runway produces your videos. Zapier automates your workflows. And Synthesia gives you a virtual spokesperson. Together, these 5 tools replace an entire marketing department. We are talking about going from tens of thousands in monthly costs to under $200 total. The businesses that adopt these tools now will have an unfair advantage over everyone still doing things the old way. And that gap is only going to get wider. If you want to see each of these tools in detail, I have individual shorts breaking down every one of them. Check those out. And if you are building a business with AI, subscribe. I am covering the best tools, strategies, and automations every week. See you in the next one.